Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the front brake pads on this Ford F350 Super Duty, the same as the Excursion or any of the Super Duty platforms. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? It really helps me out a lot. First thing we're going to do is pop this cover off and then crack loose all our lug nuts. Now jack up the truck until your tire is off the ground. Remove the rest of the lug nuts. Now we're going to remove this 17mm bolt and this 17mm bolt. With those bolts out, you can pry under here and here to pry the caliper off from the pads and rotor, and you can just set it right up here for a moment. Now you're going to pop these wires out if you can. Set them aside, and you can pull these pads out like that, and you do want to remove these clips as well. Should have gotten a bag with new hardware in it with your brake pads. So these clips right here are going to be oriented in this manner so that this right here is towards the rotor. So this one would go on the top rear here. It just pushes in like that. You want to make sure it's nice and tight. We'll do one more. So this one would go on the back side here. Just basically set it in there and push it down tight like that. Now you can put your new pads in the same way that you took your old ones out. Just slide in like that, same on the back side. I will have new pads and other things like brake and caliper grease, anti-seize, those kind of things linked in the description below if you want to check those out. Next, we are going to take these wire clips here. You just take this and put it in one hole and just kind of bend it and put it in the other hole like that. Same on the bottom here. Now we'll take our caliper piston pressing tool here. I'll have this linked down in the description as well. Take one of these, slide this on here like this, set it in here. Take the pressing tool. These pistons don't have to spin to go back in, you just press them straight back in. And then you just start turning this here until you can get it tight up against the piston. Once you have it tight against the piston, you can start turning this in. You're going to push this in until it is tight when you turn and it does not go in anymore. Then you're going to push this one in. If this one starts to pop out, you can take one of your old brake pads and set it in here, and it'll help keep them both pressed in tight. Now you're going to pull these slide pins out here. This one is brand new, so it's already greased, but normally these are not greased, and so you're going to take some brake and caliper grease here and just coat this slide pin really well so that your brake pads wear nice and even. Then you'll stick them back in here and just kind of twist and push on this boot to get it to slide back over that ridge on the caliper, and do the same for that one down there. Now we're going to take our caliper and put it back into place. I like to put a little anti-seize on the bolts before I put them back in here. So we're going to put our two bolts back in there, and then you're going to go step on the brake until your brake pedal gets tight, because you've pushed the caliper all the way out. You need to pinch them back in so they're tight on the rotor. So just go step on your brake a few times until the pedal gets hard. And then you're pretty much done. Put the wheel back on and you're good to go. So if you found this video helpful, smash that thumbs up button. Leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.